1 Minute Irish Lesson 1.
My name is Owen, and I'd like to welcome you to this course from the Radio Lingua network. During this course, I'm going to be teaching you the absolute basics of Irish. In each lesson, we'll spend roughly 1 minute learning the language. Then you'll have time to go over what you've learned. It's very easy to learn Irish, and I hope you enjoy these lessons. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to learn to say hello and goodbye, two very important phrases in any situation. To say hello, you say Gia dich. Listen to this again. Gia dich. Repeat after me. Gia dich. Now let's learn the word for goodbye. It's slán go fóill. On its own, slán means goodbye. Slán go fóill is how we would say bye for now, and it's very Irish. Let's try that again. Slán go fóill. One more time. Slán go fóill. Well done. Let's go over these two phrases again, one more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with me. Gia dich. Slán go fóill. Time's up, and that's all for this programme of 1 Minute Irish. We'd suggest that you listen again just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. You can visit our website on www.oneminute.languages.com. Join us again soon for more Irish. In the meantime, goodbye, or, as you can now say, slán go fóill.
This podcast was brought to you by the Radio Lingua network. Find out more at www.radiolingua.com.